Hi there, I am getting ready to follow along on a Michael's class being taught by Lindsay Weirich. She's going to be using graphitint pencils made by Derwent, and I do not have those. I do have these Derwent sketching pencils. They are water-soluble graphite. I have the Light Wash HB and Dark Wash 8B, and I thought I would test them. So I just came to a page here that had plenty of room, and I made little swatches. So I did the light wash, and then I did the dark wash, and I added water. So that's what these two are. And then I thought, well, okay, instead of adding water, let's add watercolor. So this is my sample of using my core paints. You can see that the graphite in these pencils does kind of dull down the color, but in a really beautiful way. So they're not nearly as vibrant, except for this phthalo green that I just find always vibrant. They're still quite beautiful adding this to it. So I think I'm going to follow along and use what I have that is similar to hers product that she's using as I can, and see how it goes. Wish me luck. So you actually missed the first few minutes of this video because my camera cut off and I didn't realize it. My SD card was full, so I had to swap it all out. And I sketched it out the best I could based on how she was doing it. Now, keep in mind, she was using the graphitint pencils, and I am using the water-soluble graphite. Water-soluble graphite pencils. So I sketched them out and I added some shading, and now I'm going to add some of my core watercolors in various mixes. I am just going to pop in every now and then as I think that additional information might be needed, but otherwise I'm just going to add some music and let you watch. The tutorial took about an hour, and that is how long her Michael's classes usually last. I did not think that it felt rushed, and I think that using the medium that I was using, I think it translated well. I really do. I really like it. I like how it turned out. I like how it looks compared to hers, and I am curious about those graphitint pencils, but I have these, and I think I'll continue to use these. So I sped this up so that it'd be a quick video, but it was really about an hour long. And here it is. Let's remove that tape to reveal that border. I'm going to link Lindsay's time lapse of this tutorial on her channel, but I'll also see if I can find the Michael's video so you can follow along just like I did. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.